today's topic, exercise number 120, right? So as you know that, as I already explained you in my previous lectures, what is real rational numbers, right? So here I am written over here rational number. देखते हैं rational number है क्या, right? We know that rational number always represented in terms of fractional. In terms of fractional, that is p or q, or you can write a or b, right? Where q or a will never be 0, right? Means denominator will never be 0, right? So in this exercise, first question asks that prove that, we have to prove that root 5 is an irrational number. We have to prove root 5 is a irrational number. I suppose, I am doing solutions now. Right. Let's assume root 5 is a rational number, is a rational number. Root 5 is a rational number. Now, if it is a rational number, then definitely it can be write a and b, right? So again, I am doing squaring both the sides. अभी दोनों साइड आपने स्क्वायर ले लिया, राइट? अब स्क्वायर लेने के बाद आप देखेंगे क्या, what a square will be what b square 5. Hence here you can see, here a square is divisible by 5, divisible by 5, so that a is also divisible by 5, right? Now I suppose a equals to 5k. Let's assume a equals to 5k. Then put a in this equation number 1. In equation number I am putting this a, I am replacing this a in this equation number 1. So here we go. Can I write, this is k square is equals to 5b square, right? So 5k square equals to 5b square, right? So what you will get? You will get k square 5 equals to 25. So 25 is equals to 5b square, right? So 5 will cancel out. You will get 5k square equals to b square. So again here, from this equation number 2, here is b is also divisible by 5, divisible by 5, but we know that a rational number, A and B like this, A and B, A upon B. So A and B are co-prime factor, co-prime factor, but in equation 1 and 2 there is 5 common, there is 5 common in both A and B. So this is contradictions. So this is, you can write over, this is contradictions that it, you can write, it is not rational number. So I'm writing over here, hence you can write, hence root 5 is an irrational number. So we got the solutions that root 5 is a irrational number, because in every rational numbers the fractional A and B, these are what? Co-primes, means there is no common in between A and B. But here in equation 1 and equation 2 we got 5 is common in both the things. 5 is common in both the things. That means what? It will be contradictions, that because co-prime numbers there is no common things. That's why this contradictions fails. Whatever we have assumed that root 5 is a rational number, it will be wrong. Hence root 5 is a irrational number. सिंपल सी बात है, आपने A और B का जो भी इक्वेशन नंबर 1 और इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में फाइंड आउट किया, उस पे क्या था, दोनों के दोनों में इसमें भी 5 और इसमें भी 5 कॉमन आपको मिला, जो कि एक को प्राइम होने के नाते A और B को प्राइम है और उनमें 5 अगर कॉमन मिले तो उसको कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन हो जाएगा। ठीक है, इस कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन में ये फेल होता है कि रूट 5 इज अ रेशनल नंबर, ये रॉन्ग है, बल्कि रूट 5 इज अ इरेशनल नंबर होगा, राइट। प्लस 3 प्लस 2 रूट 5, प्रूव it is a irrational. We have to prove this is an irrational or rational number, right? So let's write what here is given. I suppose I'm going to solve this, right? So let's suppose that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a fractional number, is a rational number, is rational number. We have to prove irrational. I am assuming this is a rational number. So every rational number we can write A by B, right? So just transpose this one. So 2 root 3, can I write A plus B minus 3, transposing this here to here, right? So root 3 equals to, sorry, this was 5, na? 5, right? This is 5. 5. So a by b minus 3 upon 1 by 2, right? That means the terms here, you just observe here, ab minus 3 upon 1 by 2 for any integer values of a and b, this will be, this is a rational number, this is rational number. That means what? ये जो टर्म्स है 5 के अपोजिट क्या है, ये जो टर्म्स है फॉर एनी इंटीजर वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड बी, ए और बी के इंटीजर किसी भी वैल्यू के लिए ये टर्म्स क्या हो जाएगा, रेशनल हो सकता है, ठीक है, ये रेशनल हो सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई रूट 5, इफ दिस इज अ रेशनल नंबर, rational number, but if this is rational number, this is equals to this, means root 5 is a rational number, but this is contradictions, that we have already proved that root 5 is irrational number, right? If this term for any value of a and b, value of a and b, these terms will be a rational number. If this is rational number, this would be rational number. Root 5 will be rational number. But from the question we know that this comes that root 5 is a rational number. But this is contradiction, that we have already proved that root 5 is a irrational number. Hence, if root 5 is irrational number, hence 3 plus 2 root 5 will be a irrational number. Always, right? In a similar way, one more question I am taking from question number 3. I am just taking one question. You can solve the question is written over. Let's prove that this is a irrational. Let's see. One thing I want to clear, right? What are the numbers which are irrational? What are the numbers which are irrational? Whatever the root comes, root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 7, pi, these all numbers are irrational numbers, right? So now 1 by root 2 we have to prove. We have to prove that irrational number. Prove that irrational. This number is irrational. How to do? Again, do the same thing. I suppose, I'm doing solution. So let's 1 by root 2 is rational number. 1 by root 2 is a rational number. So if it is a rational number, then I write 1 upon b. And a and b, we know that they are co-prime factors. right? Where b will never be 0. So can I simplify it? B by a, this is b, you just transpose it, it will be root 2, it will be root 2. For any integer value of a and b, for any integer value of a and b, a upon b, sorry, put this one, b upon a, sorry, this is b upon a is rational number. A upon b is a rational number, right? Means what? In this left side, this is root 2, in this left side you have seen b upon a. For any integer value of a and b, b upon a is rational. This will be rational. That means what? Again you have to write this is a rational number. Again you write this is a rational number, but in the example in NCERT book we have already shown that I have already written over here. Irrational number are what? Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, and so many numbers which are comes in root. So pi also a irrational number. But here we concluded that root 2 is a rational, but this is again contradictions. So, but root 2 is irrational number. Root 2 is irrational number. For that, root 2 is irrational number. This because root 2 is irrational number. Hence 1 by root 2 a will also irrational number. Will also irrational number. Right? Simple things I am repeating. 1 by root 2 we have to prove that this is a irrational number. 1 by root 2 we have to prove this is a irrational number. So initially we know that irrational number is what? Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 and pi. These are irrational number. This is already you have know from your examples which are given in your NCERT book. Now let's assume, I suppose that this is a rational number, right? If it is a rational, can I write a by b? Okay. So you just simplify and transpose it. This will be b upon a, and 2 will become here, right? So in this equation you can see for any value of a and b, what you will get? This will be a rational. If this will be rational, can I write like this? So this is a rational, but this will contradiction. We already know that root 2, but root 2 is a irrational number. Hence 1 by root 2 will also irrational numbers. That's it. So rest of problems I hope you can done, right? So in my next video I will complete exercise number 1.4. So when the whole chapter will complete, I will discuss each problems which are coming in 10th board, right? So thanks for watching videos.